let's see how the tomato sauce focaccia turned out. Fantastic. Bada bing, bada boom, bada 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 boo. Extra virgin olive oil spray. Just put this down. There's a possibility that I overproofed this, if I'm gonna be so for real. Let it rise for an hour and a half. Oh, my baby. Ooh. Dimple her. Dimple my baby. It goes in the oven at 475 for 15 to 18 minutes. My focaccia! Oh. Hot tamale, hot, hot, hot. Hot. But do you hear the crunch? It smells like tomato sauce. It does taste like tomato sauce. I'm so skilled. Next time, I think I would add, honestly, more tomato sauce and proof it for less. I just was bad with time management because I have a job. Do you hear that? 10 out of 10.